I tell you, the chosen one will soon arrive. It will most likely be a dwarf named Bjorn, but it is not limited to that.
I mean, how could you even know that? I say we should just kill him ourselves, you know?
Either or, as long as I need not go near him.
You know what? I'll kill him myself. I just can't make the treacherous journey alone.
Patience. The chosen one will soon arrive.
Hi, I'm Chris. Would you like to buy the new and improved Motor X?
Hi, I'm Chris. Wait, up, dude. Chosen one! Chosen one! There's a chosen one!
Would you like to buy the new and improved Motor X?
Do all humans look like
vacuum
dwarves to you?
cleaner? Well,
You stupid elf.
no, you can't. This state-of-the-art machine can
But he's disposable. A push and he's ours to come in.
Wait, there's more.
Yes.
Buy now and you can...
Friend, will you help us?
With what? The vacuum cleaner doesn't need a lot of assistance.
No. There's a grave there that only you can help stop.
Reality TV?
No, a more mystical terror, and you are the chosen one.
Cool. Wait. Mystical? Oh my gosh. Okay, magic really does exist. Yeah, I'll help in any way I can.
Well, okay, so there's this Dark Lord, right? Yeah. And he kind of threw out gnomes because he thought they were garden gnomes, because that's the thing, I guess. And long story short, we're basically at war with him. He's trying to destroy the magic world, all that gibberish. Killed my parents, whatever.
It will be a long and treacherous journey, but you shall be greatly rewarded. Will you help us?
Of course I'll help you. Can I go to the bathroom? It'll just be a minute.
He says he will be here in 1 minute, but it's been 2 minutes!
It's a phrase.
Excellent! Here is your sword. You will find the Dark Lord on the 15th house on the left.
I thought this was supposed to be like a long and treacherous journey.
I think we should trade swords. I want to kill the Dark Lord myself.
Okay.
Shut up, Spawn! I'm trying to magic creatures so you're not able to get near. God.
Why didn't you fight the shadow creature?
I'm not suicidal. I mean, that looked like a weaker one, but I didn't think it was.
Howard?
Chris, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Enough! You killed my parents, and you'll die for your crimes!
What?
First you killed a village of gnomes,
I tossed out those garden gnomes because they were creepy.
and then you killed my parents, famed warriors who could turn into mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes make me itchy.
Ah!
But I was just an innocent telemarketer.
He's an innocent man. What are you doing?
Look what he's reading! It's a copy of How to Destroy the Magical World you just discovered.
For dummies.
Oh, that one's not weak.
You shall be rewarded for your heroism with what you seem to want most. You will buy one of your Mother X vacuums.